Have you been struggling on how to make Edikakong soup for your family? This is a simple video on how to make a perfect Edikakong soup for your loved ones. For a rich, delicious Edikakong soup, you'll be needing beef, stock fish, various kinds of dry fish, pomo, periwinkle, red oil, yellow and red habanero pepper, water leaf and ugu. Your water leaf has to be cut finely into tiny bits, and your ugu to give it that vibrant look. So let's get cooking. In a pot, you add in the beef, you add in spices which are beef stock cube, salt to taste, and grated habanero pepper. Once that is half done, you add in stock fish and pomo, which is also called cow skin. You let that cook for a bit. At this stage, I noticed that the water is already dried up, so I added a little bit of water so that the stock fish and the pomo can cook evenly with the beef. And then I allowed the water to dry a bit before adding in the grated habanero pepper and oil, red oil. At this stage, you don't need lot of beef stock in your pot. You just need a little bit of beef stock. That's a little bit. So at this stage, I added some crayfish and then I stirred that a bit. I allowed that cook a bit, and then I added my dried fish and then steamed for a little while. So now you introduce the water leaf into the pot and then you mix everything up together. Please note, water leaf contains lots of water, and that was the reason why I said you don't need lots of beef stock unless you end up having a running soup, and Edikakong soup doesn't have to be running. So you mix everything up together and then you add in the periwinkles. Once that is added, then you mix everything up together and then you cover to steam for 1 minute. You can see the water floating in the soup, but it's not much. So now you introduce the ugu, which is also known as spinach. So the ugu is actually the last thing you add to the soup, and you let that cook for 1 minute. It shouldn't exceed 1 minute because you don't want to overcook your vegetables, and your Edikakong is ready. You can see how lovely it's looking. It's so tasty, so nice, and so rich. So will you be trying my method of cooking this special Edikakong soup? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thanks for watching.